Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to the number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 crypto coins to potentially buy in the month of May after doing your own due diligence, of course. But we are going to be looking at their charts and also covering some hot coins that are on the run like SHIBA. So SHIBA INU is right now going, full, rocket mode, I guess, because of the whole Dogecoin situation, obviously. So this is one we're going to be looking at to see for the momentum play, and then obviously looking at the rest of the market, how it's performing as we go into, tonight. Elon Musk is going to be talking, as we guys can see right here. So Dogecoin and SpaceX mischief. Here's what Elon Musk should joke about on Saturday Night Live. So that's going to be happening tonight. Huge event that could potentially push Dogecoin to continue to go on higher, or it could be a sell the news type of situation. We're going to have to figure that out. So what's going on right now? In the past 24 hours, the market is up about 4% almost. Bitcoin is booming at 59,000 right now, up about 2.2%. Really, really good, up above that 1 trillion market cap. Now let's take a quick look, obviously, at Bitcoin right here to see how it's performing. So like we said, currently trading around that $59,000 range, market cap of 1.1 trillion. It's been, it was down here at the low of about 55,000, 56,000 in the past 24 hours or so. In the past week, it even hit lows down here of about 52 or 53,000, and then continued its trend on higher. Now we've talked about this one, many times this, past couple months, and we say how this one likes to make new highs, pull back down, make a little low, and then make higher highs, lower lows, higher highs. But here we had a higher low than the previous one, actually hit one, from the past. So now we're looking for a breakout to break through that 60,000 area. If it can break through that 60,000 area, this one can continue that run and potentially get to new highs of 65,000 or higher in the near future. So that's something we're going to be looking at with Bitcoin, obviously. So before we, look at Ethereum and the 3 crypto coins for May, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 200 plus likes on this video, guys. Click that like button. I know you guys can do it. It takes 1 second. Subscribe to the channel. We just hit 30,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I truly do appreciate you guys. As always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks. Links are going to be in the description. They're valued up to $1,800. And also, if you want to get your Helium miner, you can check out the link in the description and get your discount code DEHANM, and you get 3% off when you buy your Helium miner. So Ethereum also doing very well, trading at right under 3,700 right now, up about 4.24% in the past 24 hours. As you can see, we had low of about 4,400, and then we continued this boom on up into Saturday. So this one in the past week is up about 32.5%. Down here, the low of about 2,800. In the past month, this was up over 87%, guys. Ethereum is on the rise and continuing that momentum play right now. Like we said, our target is $10,000 per coin in the next couple of years. But the way Ethereum is moving right now, $10,000 doesn't look like, a far-fetched from now. So this is beautiful to see on Ethereum. Market cap at 426 billion. Volume is over 41.2 billion in the past 24 hours, with a circulating supply at around 150 million coins. In the past year, this one's outperformed Bitcoin. Bitcoin's only up about 500%. Meanwhile, Ethereum's up over 1,600%, which is, 3 times more than Bitcoin has moved up in the past couple of months, obviously. So let's get into the actual coins, guys. So the first coin on our list is going to be Dogecoin, obviously. And the reason for that is the momentum play. So obviously, because of the momentum going into Saturday Night Live, if you're watching this on the day the video is uploaded on Saturday, Elon Musk is going to be on the, show, Saturday Night Live. And Dogecoin is going to be hyped up right now amongst social media and all these other plays. A lot of people are thinking that he's going to say something on the show that could potentially make Dogecoin continue to rise and potentially even break through the $1 area. A lot of people are predicting $1 tonight. I personally don't think it's going to break that $1 mark. It's making a pullback. It's currently at that 65 cents area. It was up here at around 72, 73 cents here, even highs of about 74 cents at one point, which was a good dip buying opportunity for anybody that wanted to get into it and hold it overnight. Obviously, that's a huge drop right there, about 11 or 12 cents in a matter of minutes or hours right there. But if you're a long-term holder and believe that it's going to hit $1, this was a great buying opportunity once again on the day. Now, in the past week, this one's up over 93.8%, guys. It was trading at around 36 cents, and now it's trading at over 65 cents, hitting highs of about 74, 75 cents. Market cap is over 85 billion, volume over 31.5 billion, and then the circulating supply at around 129.5 billion. Dogecoin, actually, here in the 1 month chart, Dogecoin is up 1,000%. So even if you would have bought it a month ago, $1,000 worth of Dogecoin would be worth around $10,000 right now, which is insane to think about. In the past year, this one's up over 24.8 1,000%, which is just insane. I mean, I know some people that invested, $1,000, and now it's worth over 100 grand or so, close to 150 grand, which is just insane to think about. Such a small investment that could, make so much profits. But that's what can happen in the cryptocurrency world. A lot of these coins get, a lot of backing behind it, and they start to, get hyped up and continue to move higher and higher. And the coin can move, hundreds of percent in a matter of, weeks or days, based off of the momentum play. So definitely something to watch tonight. I think that what we're going to be seeing is this one is going to hit around the 80 cents area tonight during the show, and then we might have a sell the news type of situation, because I don't think anything crazy is going to happen on the show, but I could be wrong, and Dogecoin could blast off and pass that $1 area, and we're going to go to the moon. But personally, I don't think that's going to happen. Obviously, some of you guys that are really hyped up on this one might say that I'm crazy for saying that, but in my opinion, I don't think it's going to get past that 80 cents 90 cents maximum tonight. But some of you guys think it's going to go higher, so we'll have to wait and see what happens tonight. Leave a comment below letting me know what you think is going to happen tonight. Was I right or was I wrong? So the second coin we're going to be talking about real quick is going to be Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic right here, we've been looking at this one for the past few days, and I played a play on this one. I traded it around $88, $90 per coin, and I sold it actually almost at the top. I sold it around $155, $160 per coin. Pretty much a 2-day play, and I made 100% profit on my gains. So I invested around $1,000, doubled my investment real quick in about 48 hours or less. And this one's been doing great. So up about 5.5% in the past 24 hours, trading at $127 right now. As you can see, it hit lows down here of about $110, a little bit lower than that at some points. And then we saw a blast off here hitting highs of 133, and that's just in the past 24 hours. The market cap for this is only 14.5 billion. That's why so many people think that Ethereum Classic is going to have a boom and continue to rise on up in the next few years and, make new highs. I've seen even some crazy price predictions of, $1,000 per coin. I personally don't think it's going to, get that wild. I could definitely see Ethereum Classic, reaching to $300, possibly to $500 on the bullish side. In the future, but it also depends what Ethereum is going to do with the 2.0, the new Ethereum 2.0, and how things are going to, pan out, I guess. But volume is crazy in the past 24 hours. In the past week, this one's up over 250%, guys. This one was trading at around $40, $41, just, in about a week ago, and it's up 250%. So if you would have invested $1,000, that $1,000 would be worth around $2,500 right now, which is massive. I obviously got in late right here. I believe I got in around $80, $90 range right here, and then it continued to boom on higher, all the way hitting highs of 175. So over 100% gains I made right there, and sold almost at the top. I believe I sold somewhere right here on May 6th, and now as you can see, it went from that 153 all the way down here to lows of about just above 100. So great dip buying opportunity once again for anybody that wanted to get in for the long run, and it could potentially go from that $100 back to those highs, and you already made what 60, 70, 80% gains once again. So definitely want to be watching. Now in the past month, 567%. In the past year, 1700% almost. So this one's very hot, but the chart looks very similar to Dogecoin. It's had a similar run as Dogecoin as well. So the charts look very similar when you compare it to each other. But that just shows you that a lot of these altcoins are running up together. We saw, Bitcoin go up first, then Bitcoin pulled back and continue to just kind of teeter-totter right there at around that 50, 55,000 area. Meanwhile, Ethereum and all the other coins continue to boom on higher and continue to, push on higher. So we saw the altcoins start to go up. The, mid cap and the low cap coins started to push on higher as the high cap, coins started to pull back a little bit, excluding Ethereum, obviously. Ethereum just continued to boom on higher and said, I'll see you later, Bitcoin. I'm going to catch up to you. And it just kept running and running and running. Coming in at the number 3 spot for our cryptocurrency for May is going to be Pancake Swap. So CAKE is the ticker symbol. Pancake Swap. We've been talking about this one as well. This one is up about 1.5% in the past 24 hours, trading at around $37.57. It hit lows down here about $35. Market cap is around 6.2 billion. Volume is over 421 million coins, and then the circulating supply at around 164 million coins. On the past week, this one is down about 8%, hitting highs here of about $63 per coin, and then hitting lows down here once again, like we said, of about $34 per coin. So big gap right there. As a pullback we saw. Now in the past month, this one is up about 118%. and then in the past year over 2,300%. But if we take a look at that 1 month chart, I mean, this was trading around $20 per coin, continue to trend, higher, pull back down a little bit. Now we're in a consolidation period around this $35 area. We're going to be consolidating right here and looking for a new breakout to break out past that $40 range and then continue, that move on higher. Now this one could easily, make a move higher in the next couple of years. I could definitely see it, making a 5x or even higher potential in the future. As the market cap is only at about 6.2 billion, so it could definitely continue to run. I mean, you guys saw Dogecoin market cap is over 80, close to 90 billion, and it's a meme coin, compared to PancakeSwap. If this one did a 10x, it would be worth about 62 billion, and that would still be valued less than Dogecoin right there with the 10x, valuation potential. So this one could definitely continue to run on higher in the future, and that's why we're going to be adding it to our radar to see what PancakeSwap does in the next couple of months and obviously next couple of years as well. Then last but not least, we're going to be taking a quick look here at SHIBA INU. So this one right here, SHIB. So this one, a lot of people are in on this one because of Dogecoin and because of Elon Musk, obviously. Market cap is very, very low still, so only 4.2 billion market cap. This one could, easily 10x or even higher, at the rate is going right now in the past 24 hours. This one is up about 269%, which is insane. It's trading at 0.000011 coins right now. It's down here very low in the beginning of the day, and it continued its trend on higher of over 200%. So this one was down, way lower than it is right now. In the past week, this one's up over 432%, which is just insane. I personally did not look at this coin. I didn't even know it existed. I knew about Dogecoin, but I never knew about this coin. And in the past month, this one is up over 18,820%. So as obviously Dogecoin continued that trend on up, so did Shiba Inu, and I don't know how I missed this one, but still in the past week over 400% gains, and this one could definitely continue to move on higher as this coin is so cheap. A lot of people might think, oh, it might make a play like Dogecoin did. Look at the market cap compared to Dogecoin, and if this one did a 10x, it wouldn't be surprising to me in the future as well. And now Elon Musk is even saying that he wants a dog that looks like that. He wants a Shiba, which is another thing that's gonna probably if he buys the dog and posts it on Twitter or something happens like that, I'm sure the Dogecoin fans and the Shiba Inu fans are gonna get on these coins, and the coins are gonna rocket up a few 100% based off of that news, because right now the news is just crazy. Whatever he tweets, whatever he says, people are going wild. So Elon Musk is like you said, the Doge father. So he's pretty much the king right now in this crypto space, and whatever he says goes. So it's pretty wild. We're going to have to keep an eye out on what he says during the show tonight and how it's going to affect the prices of these coins as well. If these coins are going to explode on higher or if they're going to pull back down, obviously. And then sell the news type of situation. So obviously, guys, before looking at any of these coins, do your own research. Make sure you do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for educational purposes only. So anything you guys do your own due diligence. Speak to your financial advisor before investing. Make sure you know what you're doing. And as always, guys, smash that like button for me. It was a quick one today, but smash that like button. Let's aim for 200 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. Leave a comment below. What cryptocurrency are you buying right now? What crypto should I talk about in the next video? Are you guys on Shiba Inu or in Dogecoin? And as always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks when you valued up to $1,800 when you sign up today. And also, if you guys want to buy your Helium miner, get your 3% off when you use the discount code DEHANM. Links are going to be in the description for that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys next time. And let's see what happens tonight on the show.